Assalamu alaikum. My name is Beenish Mustafa Zuberi. I am a trainer at Omni Academy, and we will be conducting sessions on diploma in banking and finance. The sessions will be conducted 1 hour on Saturday and Sunday via Zoom, and obviously the slides will be shared through Google Classroom. Support material will also be shared on the Google Classroom. We will try to do a lot of research work through this session through these sessions, and so that we build a lot on the knowledge and the experiences of banking and finance. Right, my name is, as I said, my name is Beenish Mustafa Zuberi, and I will be your trainer during this session. And obviously during this session we will make sure that we cover a lot of current scenarios, the current working environment, the digitization in the banking, and the boom which is coming up, because we know that there's a lot of focus on the financial industry, not within Pakistan but all over the world. There's a lot of focus on it, so we will be doing a lot of comparative analysis as well. The introduction, I will be starting off with the introduction on the banking and finance. The focus is that as we know that banks play a very important role in the economy, because they actually channelize the funds from the depositors to the lenders. They create a pool of funds which can be used for different financing activities by the lenders, right? So वो क्या करते हैं, they provide savings and depositors, जो account openers हैं या जो customers हैं, they open accounts with the bank and they deposit the extra funds which they have in the banks, right? And through those funds, different investing activities or lending activities are performed by the banks. And these activities are not only for the consumers, but also for the corporates. They are also for the government, because we are creating a lot of investing activities or the funds which are used for different purposes. Like जैसे डैम्स की बिल्ड होने के लिए during that last year and last 2 years back, there was a pool of funds which was created for building of the dams, right? इसी तरह से then we have the current scenario that a lot of जो अभी कोविड की पेमेंट्स हुई हैं, they have been made by the government of Pakistan through different banks, जिसमें the people who were receiving the funds, all they had to do was go to an ATM, use their thumb, verify themselves, enter the CNIC, and get the funds from the government, right? So banks are providing different kinds of channels to the customers, to the government, to different corporates, how to use those funds, right? So banks play a very important role, as I said. What is a bank? A bank is a business, obviously. It's a business. It's providing different activities to the customers, to the investors, to different stakeholders. They sell their services to earn money. Obviously, मैं अगर कोई lending activity कर रही होंगी, so I expect something in return, राइट? तो उसके अगेंस्ट मैं ऑब्वियसली प्रॉफिट अर्न करती हूँ, तो मेरी जो मार्कअप रेट होता है थ्रू डिफरेंट इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटीज़, और जो मुझे इंटरेस्ट रेट पे करना होता है टू डिफरेंट डिपॉजिटर्स, उसका जो गैप होता है, दैट गैप इज़ यूज एज एन इनकम फॉर द बैंक. तो बैंक्स चाहते हैं कि वो जो गैप है वो सबसे ज़्यादा हो, राइट? एंड ऑब्वियसली बैंक्स हैव टू अर्न प्रॉफिट, इसीलिए वो जो है उनको पेमेंट्स भी करनी होती है, उनको ऑपरेशंस भी चलाने, उनको डिजिटाइजेशन भी करनी है, उनको टेक्नोलॉजी भी चलानी है, 24/7 उनको सर्विसेज भी प्रोवाइड करनी है टू द कस्टमर्स. सो ऑब्वियसली दे चार्ज मनी, जो फीस होती है या इनकम होती है, दैट इज़ द इनकम, दैट इज़ द ओनली इनकम अर्न बाय द बैंक्स, right? Banks are a unique business. They provide services to the banks, to the customers, to do entirely handling of their money, right? Because मैं अगर एक बंदी हूँ और मैं एक बैंक के पास जा रही हूँ, तो मैं बोलती हूँ भाई मेरे पास 50,000 रुपीज़ है and I want to deposit this money into my account. तो बैंक बोलेगा ठीक है, we will open an account with you, you can keep your 50,000 rupees in this account, and then you tell us how you want to use that money. Do you just want to keep this money over here, or you want to change it, right? Or you want to earn profit on it, या फिर आपको TDR बनाना है. तो वो different products and services हैं जो customer जिसमें से opt करता है. You can opt to open a current account, you can opt to open a savings account, you can opt to open a term deposit account, right? So it depends on you कि what kind of services you are taking from the bank. and obviously those services are offered through different channels to the customers, right? तो अब वो जो money है, that is with the bank. Now what is the bank doing? Bank is sitting on a pool of funds which is used for investing activities. तो वो क्या करता है, वो एज अ फाइनेंशियल इंटरमीडियरी वो ये कहता है कि यार मेरे पास एक बंदा आया है, उसने बोला है कि मुझे ये जो है सोलर प्लांट्स लगाने, एंड दिस इज माय प्रोजेक्ट व्हिच आई वांट टू डू इन थर, ठीक है। और वहाँ पे वी नो कि वहाँ पे सर्दी गर्मी उधर धूप ऐसी है कि सोलर पैनल्स के थ्रू दे कैन डू अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज, राइट। सो बैंक्स बोलेगा ठीक है मैं प्रोजेक्ट फाइनेंस करता हूँ, मैं आपको इस रेट पे दूंगा दिस इज द फंड्स एंड यू कैन यूज दोज फंड्स फॉर दिस पर्पसेस, राइट। तो बैंक क्या करेगा, वो जो उसके पास एक्स्ट्रा पूल ऑफ फंड्स होंगे 50 लाख रुपीज, अब वो कस्टमर की डिमांड होगी that they want 30 lakh rupees, they want 50 lakh rupees, whatever the money is required. Bank उसको वो पैसा देगा and obviously it's going to earn markup against those funds which have been lent to the customer. और उसका जो markup होता है again it depends from tenure to tenure, like for investing activities 20 years का भी होता है period, 15 years का भी होता है, 10 years का भी होता है, and then obviously उसका जो pay out है it's either quarterly payments और उसकी मंथली पेमेंट्स होती है, तो वो इस तरह से बैलेंस आउट करते हैं, राइट। तो बेसिकली वो चैनलाइज कर रहा है, द बैंक इज चैनलाइजिंग द फंड्स फ्रॉम द डिपॉजिटर टू द लेंडर्स, राइट, जो हमने फर्स्ट डायग्राम में देखा, that the funds are being channelized from the savers, the depositors to the investors. तो वो उस तरह से एक साइकिल चल रही है. सो बैंक इज एक्चुअली मेकिंग द फ्लो ऑफ मनी, द मूवमेंट ऑफ मनी, और उस मूवमेंट ऑफ मनी से हमें पता चलता है कि कितनी फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटीज हो रही हैं इन एन इकोनॉमी. So that is the reason why it is focused more that the people should keep their money in a bank account, right? इसी तरह से there are different types of banks. We have commercial banks, we have retail banks, we have a central bank. Central bank हमारा स्टेट बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान है. We have different retail banks and commercial banks. जो retail banks है वो retail का business करते हैं. जो commercial banks हैं they are involved into all kinds of businesses which are offered by the banks, right? So we have like 25 banks in Pakistan. There are few Islamic banks, like 17, 18 Islamic banks, because we have a huge population which caters to and require Islamic banking products and services through the banking, क्योंकि वो उनको रिबा फ्री banking. So obviously there is a whole new portfolio which is managed through Islamic banking. Then we have branchless banking as well. So a lot of focus is done through Islamic banking. So the banks are branchless banking because there is a whole new portfolio of customers who do not have enough accounts. They do not need a sophisticated bank account to be maintained at the bank. They just need to send remittances, receive payments, receive cash. You know, unki movement of funds is very low. Unki requirement of funds is very low. So that is the reason why there is a focus on branchless banking. Now, the another product which is coming in is a Roshan digital account. It is purely focused on non-resident Pakistanis because they want to channelize the funds which are received from all over the world to Pakistan through a banking channel. And obviously, not only that, they want to channelize those funds into different investing activities. क्योंकि उसके थ्रू जो पाकिस्तान रोशन पाकिस्तान अकाउंट जो बॉन्ड्स हैं, दोज टेन्योर इज फॉर मोर देन 10 years, राइट. या फिर आप उसके थ्रू प्रॉपर्टीज ले सकते हैं, यू कैन मेक फैमिली पेमेंट्स. तो उसका जो फोकस है इट इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. So the what banks or central bank is doing, they are finding out कि अब हमारी कस्टमर की नीड क्या है. During this COVID period, you would have observed that a lot of banks had focused on digital banking. They said कि भाई आपके पास इंटरनेट बैंकिंग है, आपके पास मोबाइल बैंकिंग है, you do not have to come to the branch, right? Or we have such and such facilities available or services available on the internet banking or mobile banking. You do not have to come to the branch to pay the utility bill, or you can make different requests through internet banking and mobile banking, right? So what they have done is there's a whole new emergence of the project or of the products and services which are offered by the banks over here in Pakistan. And this is, trust me, this is not only in Pakistan, but has been the focus throughout the world, that they have focused more on digitization. They have focused more on offering different kinds of products and services which are offered by the banks through digital channels, right? इसी तरह से now we know that banking today has emerged a lot. People are focused more on digitization. People are more focused on digital onboarding. Digital onboarding kya hai? The customer is not coming to the branch or to the bank's premises, but sitting on the internet connection. There's a connection with a live call is made to the customer, video call, और इसमें customer से different questions पूछे जाते हैं and the KYC process is completed. And there's a picture which is taken of the customer to ensure कि anonymous या fictitious account नहीं खुल रहा है, right? So what we are doing is we are focusing more on the fast moving digital 24/7 availability of the banking services to the customers, right? Back 10 years back, this was like a dream for bankers in Pakistan to focus more on digitization or to have digital onboarding or to have this similar concept that you are not actually going to the branch, but you are talking to a bank representative on a video call, right? And that person is answering all your queries, right? Or your KYC process is completely digitized, that you are talking to the call center agent, you are getting your KYC updated, your account details updated through a digital channel. And obviously, there are different verification processes which you have to go through, right? So the banking today is evolving rapidly, and where there is evolution, obviously there are a lot of challenges as well. So the banks have to focus on a lot of risk management, which they have to manage. Now, what is coming back to the basis of what is a banker? A banker is basically who is receiving the funds, keeping those funds secure for the customer, and whenever the customer demands, you're giving the money back to the customer because it's the customer's money. And the bank is, it is not the bank's money, it is the customer's money, right? So all these things are channelized, like the bank is a custodian of the money which is given by the customer or the depositor, right? So वो accept करता है for the purpose of lending, वो further आगे उसको lend करता है so that they can earn higher income, and then the gap is there to in order to earn more money, right? Similarly, what is a customer? Customer is someone, as we know, that a customer is someone who is buying goods or services from one institution, right? तो मैं अगर बैंक के पास जा रही हूँ, मैं बोल रही हूँ कि भाई मुझे अकाउंट खोलना है, so I'm actually buying those services. I'm opening an account and I'm creating a relationship, which is, let me tell you, it is a legal relationship with the bank, right? And there are a lot of terms and conditions. That is the reason why you will see an 8 page or a 5 page form जिसमें हाँ सारी terms and conditions लिखी हुई होती है, right? And if you go into nitty gritties, State Bank has actually regulated to the banks कि वो readable form में हो, and those terms and conditions are handed over to the customer, so that if in case if the customer needs to understand the terms and conditions, the customer can actually go through and read through those terms and conditions, right? So this is a focus over here right now. The customer is basically who is entering into a business with the bank, and he's agreeing to give deposit some money, and the bank is agreeing that we are providing these services, these digital channels, these channels to you, and these are the transactions which you can perform, these are the things which you can do through this account, right? So we are providing, the banks are providing different kinds of products and services. The duration of the association of the customer with the bank is of no essence. Duration कभी भी हो सकती है, लेकिन in case if the customer dies, then the legal binding closes. That is the reason why फिर deceased account का जो treatment is, it is completely different, because the bond is broken when the customer dies, राइट? सो वो सारी चीज़ें आपको मेंटेन करनी होती है. इसी तरह से a customer is one who has an account with the bank and to whom the banks undertake the extended टू एक्सटेंड बिजनेस ऑफ बैंकिंग। अब वो जो उसकी बिजनेस ऑफ बैंकिंग है वो एलसी ओपनिंग भी हो सकती है, वो गारंटीज भी हो सकती है, वो प्रोजेक्ट फाइनेंसिंग भी हो सकती है, वो एक सिंपलीफाइड आसान अकाउंट भी हो सकता है, वो रोशन डिजिटल अकाउंट भी हो सकता है, वो सेविंग पर्पसेस के लिए टीडीआर भी हो सकता है। सो लाइक कस्टमर की जो नीड होती है, द पर्पस ऑफ अकाउंट ओपनिंग differs from one customer to the other. It could be just for salary payments. Like K Electric has an account with different banks. It's like principal agent relationship with the bank, so that they can receive the utility bills which are paid by the customers. वो amount एक जगह पे park होती है और फिर वो move होती है into the main account, right? तो वो एक पूरा different setup है। और वो K Electric और जैसी companies बहुत सारी हैं, SSGC है, PTCL है, we have World Call और other agents जिसके बिहाफ पे बैंक्स जो है वो काम कर रहे होते हैं, राइट? इसी तरह से स्कूल्स का भी यही है, सिमिलर एग्जांपल, द स्कूल्स ओपन एन अकाउंट विद द बैंक, और जो फीस की जो पेमेंट होती है दैट इज रिसीव्ड इनटू दैट अकाउंट, और फिर उसके बाद फिर आगे उसको फर्दर एक मेन अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर किया जाता है, राइट? तो आपने क्या किया, व्हाट द कस्टमर हैज डन, इट हैज एक्चुअली आउटसोर्स द फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटीज टू द बैंक, और उसमें उसने लिस्ट कर दिया कि मेरे अकाउंट में ये फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटीज हैं जो मैं इस बैंक के साथ अंडरटेक करूंगा, राइट? Technology, as I said, plays a very important role in the banks, because we have to provide different kinds of services to the customers. The need of the customers is changing, evolving actually. पहले नहीं था इतना कि the customers need 24/7 ATM cards या ATM machines या पॉस, कि भाई अब तो कैश का कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं है। द कस्टमर्स ओनली हैव द एटीएम कार्ड्स एंड वेर एवर दे नीड टू पे वो उसके डेबिट कार्ड पॉस पे चार्ज कर लेते हैं। It's only in Pakistan that we have a lot of cash-based economy, but if you go abroad, you will see and you will observe that many of the people, they do not carry a lot of cash. They have the cards, वो cards हर जगह swipe करते हैं and they make those payments, right? तो वो आपके क्या होता है, it is actually making the process of movement of funds transfers, remittances, different payments आसानी से। सो इट्स फास्ट, इट्स इजी, इट्स ज़बरदस्त। आजकल अब बहुत ज़्यादा बूम आए हुए हैं। इनिशियली देयर वर नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ रिटेलर्स हु वुड एक्सेप्ट फंड्स ट्रांसफर इनटू देयर अकाउंट्स, बट नाउ द कॉन्सेप्ट इज चेंजिंग। दे आर लाइक, अगर मोर देन 50,000 रुपीज़ की पेमेंट है, यू डू नॉट हैव द कैश, डोंट वरी, दिस इज द अकाउंट नंबर, दिस इज द बैंक, यू कैन ऑल मेक द पेमेंट ऑनलाइन। ज्वेलर्स अब एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं डिजिटल पेमेंट्स, राइट? मोबाइल फ़ोन जब आप लेने जाते हैं तो मोबाइल फ़ोन ऑपरेटर्स बहुत सारे जो आपके डीलर्स हैं, रिटेलर्स हैं, वो एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं ऑनलाइन फंड्स ट्रांसफर्स, and this is happening a lot, right? But we need to keep a focus that the business transactions can only take place in business accounts, and personal accounts are not used for business transactions. ये स्टेट बैंक की रेगुलेशन है which needs to be complied to, right? So it creates a lot of impact on the customers when they are like, yaar, I can use my smartphone to make a lot of payments, मुझे ब्रांच जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। It's been, for me, it's been more than 3 months that I have not been to my branch. मैं सारी चीज़ें, सारी पेमेंट्स आई एम डूइंग ऑनलाइन, राइट? तो वो जो है वो एक कॉन्सेप्ट ही चेंज हो गया। इनिशियली ये होता था कि लोगों को 2-2 घंटे निकालने पड़ते थे, ब्रांच जाना है, अच्छा फीस पे करनी है, सुबह में फीस पे करते हुए आएंगे बच्चों की, तो वो कहते थे भाई हम जाएंगे, सुबह में जाएंगे, फीस पे करेंगे, एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू कम टू ऑफिस या कम टू वर्क, राइट? और उसमें भी फीस पे करने की इतनी लंबी लाइन। Now what you can do is you can save time, you can do it online, right? तो ये technology, this is how technology has evolved. Initially जब back in 90s there was a concept कि मैं अगर मेरा किसी हैदरी के ब्रांच में अगर अकाउंट खुला हुआ है, so I have to go to that हैदरी की branch to operate my account, right? अब now technology has made it so easy that मेरा अकाउंट चाहे कहीं भी हो, I can go to the nearest branch of that bank and I can operate my account. I do not have to go to the home branch to operate my account, to make a few changes, to issue checkbook, to do basic facilities. मैं कहीं से भी एक्सेस कर सकती हूँ, मैं कहीं से भी स्टेटमेंट निकलवा सकती हूँ, राइट? तो वो मेरे लिए आसानी हो गई है. द टेक्नोलॉजी हैज मेड थिंग्स इजियर फॉर एवरीवन, राइट? कंपटीशन, एज वी ऑल नो, हमारे यहाँ अभी टीवी पे इतने एड्स चलते रहते हैं. अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इज गोइंग ऑन. रोशन डिजिटल अकाउंट पे देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फोकस फॉर पास्ट 6 months, and there is a whole new competition going on. The banks are actually focusing कि भाई किसी तरह से मेरा पोर्टफोलियो ज़्यादा हो रोशन डिजिटल अकाउंट में. जैसे एक ज़माने में क्रेडिट कार्ड के ऊपर होता था. देयर वाज अ ह्यूज फाइट ऑन द क्रेडिट कार्ड. कंपटीशन बहुत ज़्यादा होता था. भाई आपको एनुअल फी माफ है, फर्स्ट ईयर एनुअल फी माफ है, सेकंड ईयर आपको 50% देनी है. अभी भी बैंक Al-Falah and other banks, they are offering such competitive rates because they need a lot of market share. They need consumer base. They need focus on this thing, right? तो ये उनका फोकस होता है and this is how it is. And competition के बगैर अगर fair competition नहीं होगा तो मज़ा भी नहीं आता, trust me. So what you have to do is the state bank, what it does is it provides the regulations and the banks actually create a healthy competition to get more of the market share. So they work on all these things. So banks are actually creating a lot of niche. They are creating, coming up with different ideas that how they can provide better products, better services, better channels for the banks. Just like Allied Bank, they have a 24/7 locker services, digital locker service. It is at Zamzama. So none of the banks over here are providing a digital locker service, but Allied Bank is one of it which is providing it. Zamzama पे आप जाओ, आप अपना ATM कार्ड डालो, अपनी पिन डालो, अपना thumb impression biometric verify करो, and then you can have access to the locker services. It doesn't have to be that the branch is open. It can be at any time. It is 24/7. It is secured. Everything. Hello. Hello.
जी मैम.
जी, तो जो है बेसिकली so these are the different competition with actually trying to make sure that we are providing different competitive products, different digitized, different rates, different markup in order to have more market share, in order to have more customer base. Banks and economics. So banks play a very important role in the economy of the Pakistan. As I said, it moves and it channelizes the funds which are available in the banking system. Banking system. So basically, आप अपनी medium of exchange को जो money है, which is moving into different mediums. एक मिनट, excuse me. मम्मी इस फ्रिज में है, अब मैं क्या करूं? Right? So the money exchange, and it is actually moving the economy. So the funds are moved from one person to the other, one economy to the other, one industry to the other. There are different types of payments which are made through the banking channel. It can be from individual to individual. It can be from individual to company, company to company, stakeholder to stakeholder. So there are different types of payments, different types of funds which are moved from one to the other. एक मिनट, मम्मी Sorry. So the banks are actually playing a very critical role in providing different products and services and channels to the customers to make different types of movement of funds. And obviously, the banks are actually keeping the record, the identification record. They are enforcing the regulations. They are following the regulations. They are ensuring transfer security because आपको कैश लेके 50 लाख रुपए का कैश लेके घूमना नहीं पड़ता. You can just get a pay order made and you can make those payments, or you have other activities, other services जिसके through you can make transfer of payments, right? And obviously you need to make sure sound business practices, right? So you have to comply to different regulations which need to be made. फिर स्प्रेडिंग द वेल्थ. ऑब्वियसली जब हम बात करें कि द फंड्स आर बीइंग चैनलाइज्ड फ्रॉम डिपॉजिटर्स टू लेंडर्स, तो हम लोग स्प्रेड कर रहे हैं वेल्थ को, राइट? So we are taking money, extra money from those depositors, and we are making from those pool of funds, we are making different kinds of investing and lending activities. So हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम movement of funds कर रहे हैं, which we have already discussed. Banks are lending makes money available to consumers and to businesses to make purchases they might not otherwise be able to make, right? LC हो गई, आपकी imports हो गए, different kinds of exports हो गए, projects financing हो गई, wealth management हो गई, different बहुत सारी payments हैं जो कि आपको होती हैं, ठीक है? इसी तरह से ट्रांसफरिंग, जस्ट लाइक आई सेड कि ट्रांसफर ऑफ फंड्स होती हैं between banks and individual customers, between banks and industries, banks and government, and different between governments. So all those payments are made through banks. Banks make it easy कि अगर किसी कस्टमर को पेमेंट करनी है इस customer one wants to make a payment to customer 2 on account of, let's say, property. So what they can do is they have the option कि customer बोले कि यार मैं इस बैंक का चेक बनाकर आपको दे दूं. कस्टमर बोलेगा यार चेक रिटर्न हो जाए फिर क्या होगा, फंड्स नहीं हुए फिर क्या होगा, ये क्या होगा, अच्छा जी पे ऑर्डर दे दें. तो वो पे ऑर्डर बनवा के उसको पेमेंट कर देगा, या फिर उसके पास डिफरेंट एक्टिविटी है जिसके थ्रू वो फंड्स ट्रांसफ़र करके वो कस्टमर को उसी वक्त पेमेंट कर सकता है, राइट? चेक प्रोसेसिंग एंड पे ऑर्डर, एज वी नो, इट टेक्स, जो पहले 7 दिन में काम होता था वो अब 2 days में हो जाता है. द क्लियरिंग टेक्स 2 days, राइट? हियर